Today I'm going to share with you how to make the center bobble stitch in my popular Meara pattern. It's not a traditional bobble stitch, so it's been causing a little bit of confusion with knitters. So today I'm going to try to show you step by step how to do that stitch. So there's a center panel that runs up the front of this sweater design, and you'll find it on page 6 of the pattern. It's called the body lace chart, and I've just printed out the center 13 stitches just so I can show you on my needles today. So this is what the center 13 stitches of that chart will look like. On my needles I already have one whole bobble stitch completed. So that's what the bobble looks like, and there's these arches that come up and around over it. So today I'm going to show you how to do this stitch. So we're going to start on row 5, which is the beginning stitch. This right here is the symbol for make 5, and in the key it will tell you how to do this as well. So we're starting at row 5. We're going to purl 3, knit 1 through the back loop, purl 2 more. When you get to the center stitch, we are going to reach down 3 stitches below and reach in between that stitch, come through from the back, loop around, and pull that loop through to the front and put it on your left hand needle. So now we have an extra stitch that we just made right here. Into that stitch that we just made, we're going to knit 1 through the front, knit 1 in the back, knit 1 in the front, knit 1 in the back, and knit 1 more in the front. So we've just made 5 extra stitches. We still have that 1 stitch on the left hand needle that we pulled up. We're just going to go ahead and drop that off the needle. So now we just have the 5 stitches we just made. Now we still have that original center stitch. So we have 3 purls on this side. We're going to go ahead and, just like the chart says, purl 2 through stitches together, and that'll give us 2 purls on one side, the make 5 in the middle, and 2 purls on the other side, and that'll help to keep our stitch count consistent. Now on the wrong side row, when we get to those center stitches that we just made, we're just going to purl all 5 of them. Yes, we're going to purl all 5 of them. So now we're going to look at, we just did row 6. So now we still have 3 purls on the outside, the 1 knit through the back loop column, 2 more purls, and then we have 5 knit stitches, 2 more purls, the knit through the back loop column, and then 3 more purls. Now we're going to do row 7 on the chart, which when you get to the center 5 stitches here, you're going to knit them all together through the back loop, and that will close off our bobble stitch. So purling 3, knitting 1 through the back loop, purling 2. Now we're at the center 5. We're going to carefully reach through the back loops and knit all those together to get back to 1 stitch. Purl 2, knit 1 through the back loop, and purl 3. And when you get to row 8, I'm going to knit these 3, purl 1 through the back loop, and you're going to knit the center 5 stitches, so 2, and then you're going to knit that stitch which was the bobble, and the other 2, purling 1 through the back loop, knit 3. So that's your bobble stitch that we just made. So it's basically just pulling up a stitch, knitting into it, and then closing off the bobble. And you're going to continue to follow the pattern, and you'll have a whole row of these bobbles with the arches going up. If you have any other questions about this pattern, about how to make the stitch, or if you're confused about anything else, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll do my best to clear it up for you. And take time to subscribe to the channel, please. And again, if you have ideas of any other patterns that you would like clarifications on, you can leave that in the notes below, or send me an email or message me through Instagram.